It'll be fine.
Oh, Dallas doesn't want that frosting.
I know, dog.
Just checking. Don't want
That's
the
why I'm testing
birthday
things out
girls
here.
stay to
That's
be
why I'm
the
experimenting. Oh, Dallas, happy birthday.
What the? Not until 2 more months. Hey, it's me.
Oh, it is you.
What?
It was RoboCop. Who's choosy?
Hey, Chris is.
Hi, Junior.
Hello. Surprised to see me?
Yeah.
I think he's only playing because it's going to be down at 12 a.m.
Hmm.
No.
1 a.m.
Yeah, I told you 1 a.m.
Sorry. 1 a.m. Dog, I'm running.
Hey.
Jesus, you scared me, dog. I thought you were someone else.
Is there grenades in this bush?
No.
It's because the reason I think that is because I remember it saying, use a bush bomb to trick enemies into thinking it's a bush and explode them.
Oh,
Hey,
we're all bush
Chris.
bombs. What's up?
It's your toy.
Hey Chris, do you think
Oh.
that... Hey Chris, do you think that... Oops. I almost closed Fortnite.
Wow.
I was turning down my volume and I put close application by accident.
Oh my god, this guy.
What was I gonna say?
Junior, stop moving.
Oh yeah.
Hey, can someone open this door?
Yay!
I will.
Haven't seen
Oh,
you
let's
so
drift.
long. Yeah!
Oh,
You get a car and I get a car.
Okay.
Yeah. Oops.
What the?
Oh,
Wait,
Where's-
come back, little buddy. Come back. I want to see your cute little face. Hey.
She's like,
Can you shoot with that?
Run away.
no. But there's people here that, right here.
Mark 'em.
yeah.
Alright, hold on.
Oh, I see him.
Oh.
They're fighting the boss right now.
Do we go to them?
If you guys want.
Do
I
we?
only see 2 of them.
I see 3.
There's one right here.
I see 3 too. They're fighting the balls.
Right there.
Right there!
I'm coming, boys!
Ah, she's right there. Broke her shield. Watch out behind you guys!
It's okay, dog. I'm here.
Right here.
You know, Chris is so good at this game.
There.
Indiana Jones is down! Come down here!
I went down.
Two.
Oh, thank thanks for the crown, buddy.
Let's pick her up. Let's pick her up. Let's pick her up. Let's pick her up. Pick her up. Pick her up. Pick her up.
Oh, calm down,
All right.
Lost.
Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's he at?
Oh. Wait, I hear footsteps.
I hear someone.
Me too.
I think
I
that's
do
the
too.
boss.
Is it? Sub dog.
Oh, it didn't
Hello.
disappear. So
Oh, he's down there?
Big brown head. What the hell are you doing?
Getting some gear.
Hey, he's down there, you see him?
Oops.
Who?
He's down
Hey,
there, look at the
he's
ground!
down there,
Hiding.
hiding.
Oh my gosh.
That's what he said. How do you get there?
Great.
Hmm.
Now I don't know where he is and I'm too scared.
Someone
You
come.
know what? No. Look, it can scan the whole place.
Oh, over there.
Oh,
See you? You see him marked?
he's right
Saw him
here.
Marked.
He's right here, look at where I am.
Oh,
Trying to get to you.
Oh shit.
You got him?
Yeah.
Nice.
Hey, you guys don't know how to look down or something?
what the? I was looking
my
the whole
God.
time. I just didn't know how to get there.
I was gonna say, where is he? You just had to look down.
No, I did look.
Oh, you saw him? In the
Yeah, but I was trying to figure out how do I get there.
Yeah,
Don't
Oh,
tell
I
him.
did.
and that's exactly what I was saying.
My bad, Odalis.
Didn't know how to get there.
Wait a minute. Weren't there only one? Wasn't there only one bush? What's going on here? Sup, dog? Oh, Paul, did you know they nerfed this shit?
Oh, what happened?
Look, try shooting through it.
Oh,
Look,
you can't shoot through it anymore. Like your friends can't shoot through the shield anymore.
Nope.
And
Like Reinhardt. Barriers failing.
Junior, you're all beat up. You should heal.
I don't have any.
Oh, here, Paul.
Thanks.
Good. Dog, I'm gonna do
Don't
something.
move, Junior.
who's shooting?
Not me.
Down there.
There's someone fighting. I don't have a
I don't
long
shoot.
range.
I just play for fun. Paul, you're in the open, dog.
Are they up here?
No, but they're right here.
Oh.
See, there's one across.
Can I shoot them?
Oh, Dallas is like, I got this shit.
I was trying to find a long range. What happened? Oh, what? I hurt myself by jumping just that little edge? What the heck?
Help me, help me! I slid down and now there's people.
Oh my god, dude, she's like getting like killed. She slid down.
Oh.
She's like, I can't get back up. Dog, just die. I'm gonna try something.
I got him. I got one.
Oh,
Over
okay.
there.
Hey, Paul, look. Did you know you could do this, dog? Where you at?
Up here.
Look, I have my bird.
What
Oh, what the?
You ready? Just like
Yeah.
like an eagle does to their prey.
the? There's people over there.
That's funny.
You guys have like rifle ammo?
Here, Paul.
What the? Arigato.
What the? Look, they're right here, dog.
Where?
Good
Hey.
shit.
Serves you right.
Serves you right, dog. That's right.
They have a DMR by any chance?
Oh,
Oh, what happened?
up here.
Oh!
Oh, got him. I saved you, Chris.
Thank you, dog. Jesus
Wow.
Christ.
They shot you once and they fell and they missed, and then they try to get up.
By the way, you can
DMR
pick
over
up your
there?
teammates with the bird. No DMR, dogs.
No.
Dang it. Is there anything over there? We need to go.
I don't think
Oh, yeah.
it's like any of them.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
What was that?
Hmm?
She's like, what?
I
She
was
spilled her
spinning-
loogie on her bed sheets.
Yeah. Actually, on my plate that I have right in front of me.
Hold on, I want to get this all my real quick. Watashira. Oh yeah, I think this tonight's the last night for All Might.
Yeah, they're probably gonna put Dragon Ball in it.
Mm-hmm.
I hope they don't.
Oh, Dallas.
Wait, who's shooting?
Yeah.
Beep beep.
Who's shooting that?
Who's shooting
Oh,
what?
there's a chest in here.
I like the All Might one better because the Dragon Ball Z one is like a fast line that beams towards you, and this one you can see the ball coming towards you slowly.
Oh, what the you got on with me?
Yeah.
There is shields in here.
I didn't see any. Oops.
Let's go this way, guys.
Can I carry myself with the bird?
You wanna get on?
There's no one nearby.
Like me.
Thanks.
Oh, I got Junior.
That's so long. And these
What happened?
birds.
Wait a second.
What's up, dog?
I'm gonna scout the area.
You do that, dog.
There's a lock thingy over here. I'm gonna look real quick.
With my Chrissy poo.
What did she say?
A DMR!
You see anybody?
Nothing?
There's sodas here,
Looking around like that.
and there's minis here.
Oh, I need those minis. Why do I hear a lot of shooting?
You do?
I heard something. I don't know if it was the motorcycle crashing around. I don't
Guys,
know.
come over here.
Oh my god, dude, she's like going all the way out there. What are you doing? There's
Over there,
people
over
there.
Over there!
What the heck?
Over there!
Okay.
Oh, we're staying here?
Hold on, Paul.
So.
I can't see them because of the trees. Oh, I see him running.
There's another one. There's 3 more. Oh, damn, he shot me pretty good. making sure there's not people behind us. Because that's the last thing we need is an ambush.
Uh-oh. Are they coming? Or are they leaving?
No.
There's someone right there.
Oh,
They're
I
all
slid
like cuddled
down.
up together.
Oh,
I slid down. Coming back up.
Be careful, dog.
Oh, there's someone else on the other side.
There's two people on that side.
Don't worry, dogs. I got it.
And the people on the other side, we're gonna get pinned.
Oh, I slid down again.
Oh my god.
Dang it.
I hear rocket launchers.
Me too.
Oh
Coming back
man.
Oh, they both found each other, right?
Oh my god, they're shooting rocket launchers at Big Brown Head.
Guys, I'm coming back. I slid down.
Hurry up, dog.
Okay, I'm back.
Those two teams found each other.
Where are they?
Over there.
Oh.
Gotta look for ammo.
Oh, stupid bike! No one had shields, huh?
Nope.
Hmm?
No one has shields.
I have soda.
What the fuck? They nerfed the fucking thing again? Oh, that's just great. Oh, never mind.
They're on the roof.
I see him, dog.
We gotta start going in a circle.
Big Brown Head, why don't you get your ass down here, yeah? Coming up here.
Hmm?
We gotta go to the circle.
I have 30 ammo.
Me too. Junior, there's jellyfish down here. I need 2 Persona Termina.
That's the last team, and there's 3 of them.
But they're out there shooting.
They have the high ground. Watch out!
Where do we go? I don't know where to go.
I don't
Go
know.
this way. This way.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Hi! Stop it!
Oh no, just ignore him.
What happened to the bike? Dude, it disappeared.
Hey,
Watch out.
that's me once.
Watch out! Look at them.
Hi! Stop!
It's okay,
Ignore
Paul.
him.
I got you, dog. Get behind my shield.
Stop.
Big Brown Head, get behind my shield, please. Oh, get out of there.
Dude, we're in the storm! Oh my god.
Ooh, I got one of them. I got one of them.
It's 2 versus 3 now. Because there was only 3 of them.
I'm over here if anyone wants a shield.
Run, 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 run.
Okay, one's down.
Oh, you're good now. There's 1 left.
Fuck off.
He's right there.
Huh?
I see
Get
him.
him, Chris! Get him, Chris!
Yeah.
Damn, I missed.
Where are they? What
Huh?
the heck?
I don't know. He
He's
left.
towards
Like
the
what?
house.
He went
Towards
over
the
there.
house.
I hear a Chuck Cannon.
You hear a chuggy chug?
Yeah.
Hey, there's a
Yeah,
guy
there!
back there.
Oh, sorry.
I think
got in
that's
your
him.
way.
Oh yeah, that's him.
No, that's okay.
Huh? There's another guy?
Right there!
No,
They're using the
no.
hammer!
Chris never got him.
They took the zip line.
Where are
They
they?
took the zip line.
Just don't get
They're up
separated. They're up there.
They're up top. I said they took the
Wait a
zip
minute.
line.
Chris, careful. They're up there.
I know. Hold on. Hold on. I can do this, dog.
Eh.
Oh, they're leaving! Over here!
Oh. Right there, Chris, behind you. Oh,
I know. I see him.
oh, you're frozen
Oh,
for
they're
me then.
back up there again.
Hold on.
Right
Hold on.
there.
Hold on.
Okay.
I see him. He's trying to hide. Hold on, hold on.
Okay. Oh no, I fell. Where are they? Oh, they're over there again.
Man, this sucks.
Right there, ready.
Ammo.
She doesn't have ammo.
Right here. Oh. Oh, they hit me again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey.